Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use cardboard. Okay, so here we are. The first thing we want to do is jump in to usecardboard.com, and on the left hand side you will see your canvas size, and here you can choose pretty much whatever it is that you'd like. On the right hand side where it says auto, here you can pick the model that you would like to use. So we've got Claude, Sonnet, Claude Opus, we've got Gemini 3 Pro, and then we've got GPT 5.2 as well as the GPT 5 Mini. So what we need to do to start off here is we need to upload some media. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on this area, or we can drag and drop our images, videos, or audio. So you'll see just over here at the bottom, all of my media has been uploaded. And what we're going to do now is offer an instruction. Create a reel with slow, smooth jazz music and slow, smooth transitions. Now, again, you can choose your aspect ratio. So you can either choose auto or you can choose the actual aspect ratio. So this is the aspect ratio. And what we want to do is we want to click on auto over here and you want to choose your model. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just use the auto model. And then you're going to click on this button here. Now, this will take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how much information you have added in here. And within a few seconds or minutes, you'll be able to see what Cardboard has created for you. So we're now in the screen over here on the right-hand side. You will see that we have a conversation. So here we have the opportunity to pick a track. All right, so simply what we're going to have to do is go ahead, click on the play button. This will allow you to listen to any one of these tracks. Once you've done so, go ahead and select the one that you would like to use. Click on confirm. And essentially what will happen now is Cardboard's AI will create the compilation, the montage, whatever it is that you've asked it to create right over here. So you can see as you're going now, it is still thinking, planning its next steps, doing what it needs to do here on the right-hand side. And here you can see that it has started with the video production. Right, so there's a few things that you can do here. You can change your aspect ratio up at the top. On the left-hand side, you can import media. You can change your layout. You can add sounds, captions, voiceovers, different text styles over here. You can change the transitions between your clips. You can also add filters to any one of your clips. You can capture frames over here. And then we've got our general settings. So you can see that there are some playback shortcuts, some tool shortcuts, timeline, and then just your general over here. And over here, you'll have your tracks. So this will be audio, this will be video, and whatever else is on here, you'll see that that would be laid out track by track. Now, if you go over here to the right, you can go and make edits. So whatever it is that you need to do, you can literally just type it in over here and click on send. And what will happen is your edits will then be adjusted accordingly. Now, once you're done with all of this, you click export on the top over here. You will choose either a video file, which will download a literal video file. You can download it for Final Cut or DaVinci or Adobe Premiere Pro. You can choose your resolution. There are some advanced settings over here, such as frame rate, quality, format, and the codec. And it'll just give you a total duration and click on export video. And that is essentially how to use Cardboard.